So today we are going to cook leaf vegetables. So this is I chop the garlic, red chili and little tomatoes. So we pour oil. Ajal. This is especially for the bachelor who's trying to cook something delicious food. So this is the way we are cooking now. First we just put green chili and garlic. So you have to cook little bit brown, then just turn it there. Now put the tomatoes and cook till the tomato is little soft. Our kitchen little dirty, but it's okay because we are bachelors, so there is a cleanliness in the morning only, but in evening we not clean. We will clean after our cooking. So now this is my masala. So I will put first a turmeric powder. Then this is we call mixed masala, and this is also the different mixed masalas. Okay, the Indians, they know how to buy the masalas. We will just little low the flame. Okay, I will put little bit water, and there is one of the dry fish. It is made by my mom, my family. It is dry fish chutney we call. We will put little bit to just having a spicy and little non and veg taste. So I will put it. Now the time to put the leaf. So this is how we cooked. Very easy. It will not take long time to cook this kind of meal. Yeah. So like this, you have to mix with all the masalas and give little time to cook for this leaf. Okay, don't waste the food because food is very expensive and we have to respect the food also. So now I just mix with all the masalas and the leaf, and then we will give little time to cook for this leaf. Okay, okay, for a while I will just add the salt. Depend your tongue taste. If you are high cholesterol, you are high blood pressure, guys, please look into yourself first. A little bit high flame because I need to be cooked. It's not takes long time to cook this. Okay, so no need to worry. Enjoy while you are cooking. You enjoy yourself that you are cooking a delicious food. Ever you made it. Okay, because everything in life is for a learning.
Yes.
You learn everything by mistake. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the one. Now I will just cover up this with the lid and I will wait for a while to cook my delicious vegetable and dry fish mixed. Okay guys, so now you can see it takes only 5 minutes to cook. You can see the color, then all the masala is mixed very well. Now it's ready to eat. So you can eat with the roti, chapati, khapus as you like it with rice. But if you eat with the rice, so you need dal. About the dal, how to cook the dal, I will get back to you by tomorrow. So you will enjoy also how I am cooking the dal. Okay, bye bye.